That's a bumpy road. Oops, sorry.
You're fine.
That was bumpy. Can you tell a big difference with that shock? We haven't bottomed out yet, have we?
It was so funny. The first like big bump that we went over, I used to go, ooh. This time I went,
Yeah.
bounce. And I was like, whoa.
Welcome back, everybody. Whew. Heavy old girl coming down 555. Last year, 555 was just tore up, and it looks like they're starting to patch now. And then hopefully, once they patch, they'll actually lay blacktop over this whole thing. May 2nd. Today is May 2nd. I just got done with a little upgrade on the Spyder. I replaced the rear shock. I had the occasional 2-up shock, and we put the Elka stage 2, and you know, this is, I'm 2-up right now, and this thing's giving us a workout, this road, and we have not bottomed out yet. So I have not ridden this thing without somebody on it with this new shock, but as it sits, I don't think I'm going to do anything to it. I think I'm just going to leave it how it is. It's definitely a lot stiffer. But, you know, I told him I wanted it set up for sport touring. And I don't think it's too stiff by no means. And since my daughter has not done 555 or any part of 555, you know, that's our goal today, to do the whole thing. And this is probably one of the better days we've had. I'm out here riding naked. Just some jeans and a t-shirt, my gloves and my helmet. And it feels wonderful to have a little bit of sun out. And man, this road is just tore up. Let's see. Excuse me. There's no way I would have been able to do this with that occasional 2-up shock. We'd be bottoming out over all of this. And you know, that's what I wanted to do. I would like to do a little bit more 2-up, get the daughter out of the house. Maybe the wife might want to go on rides. I'm going to say she's going to go, if she does go on a ride, it's going to be a smaller ride and fairly close to the house, and definitely stick to back roads. She feels safer on the back roads, so I can definitely do that, you know. You know, hopefully that's not all they're doing. They're just going to cut it and just patch it in places. You know, now they need to come back through. They need to grind it and lay some more. I would hate to come down through here on 2 wheels. I'm not having any issues with the Spyder, but it's a workout. And 555 is a great road. You know, they just need to keep this road nice and safe for everybody that comes out to ride it. And you're going to see everything from motorcycles to sports cars to horse and buggy. Oh yeah. And I think this is the worst of all of the 555. This is between what is that, 78 and 550 maybe. You know, the first part was done not too long ago, so hopefully they just continue. Oh, well, that's a big bump right there. But no, so far I like the shock. I think I'm gonna have to readjust the belt. But that's nothing. That's literally a 15-minute process. Super easy to do. And you know, when I installed the shock today, I just basically pulled it out of the box that it came in and installed it. It's been sitting in the house since I don't know, last fall. You know, just I've had plenty of time to install it. Just the weather hasn't been there, and the temperatures. And you know, when it is nice, I want to go for a ride, and I don't want to work on the Spyder. But today was perfect. Work on the Spyder, go for a ride, come home. I think I'm gonna stop here. This is a good spot to stop. So you guys stay safe, and I'll see everybody down the road.